Hey friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. In today's DIY, I'm going to make Rangoli Mats with some cardboard and air dry clay. Using this technique, you can make these Rangoli Mats in different shapes and size. These Rangoli Mats are multi-purpose, reusable, detachable and eco-friendly. Here, I'm creating a lotus design pattern on top of this paper. You can find these lotus templates online. Take a printout and you can use that to trace the lotus on top of the cardboard. When tracing the lotus design on top of the cardboard, make sure you're using the straight edge of the cardboard and straight edge of the lotus design. Using the knife, cut out the cardboard. I'm going to use some paper glue and attach these two cardboards together. Here comes the fun part. Here I'm using 1 teaspoon of clay. I always make one clay noodle at a time. Save it in a Ziploc bag and continue making the clay noodles. Once you get these clay noodles from the Ziploc bag, just roll them back and straight them. I'm using some glue to attach these clay noodles to the cardboard. While attaching, gently press the clay towards the cardboard. Don't get stressed out if the clay noodles are not coming perfect. Even I practiced number of times to get the right size and shape. But once you attach it to the cardboard, you will not see any difference, and when you use these Rangoli mats, they will look absolutely perfect. Let it dry completely before using it.